Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy with Advanced Auto Parts, and I'm here to show you some of the most common issues that may signal that you have a bad alternator. The symptom most drivers notice is dim or flickering lights. While this is easy to recognize at night when the lights are on, you will also notice dimming in the dash and interior lighting. If the lights brighten as RPMs increase, that is a telltale sign of a failing alternator. Another obvious sign is when your vehicle tries to tell you that the alternator starts to go. It can light up one of the several lights on the dash. Often you'll see the red battery icon light stay on, but you may also see a check engine or alt indicator. Many newer vehicles have driver information centers that may display alerts in addition to driver warning lights. Over time, the serpentine belt may wear out and might not be spinning the alternator pulley effectively, leading to a lack of charge. This typically results in a squealing noise. In addition, the internal bearings can wear out, causing a growl or grinding noise. Many newer alternators are equipped with overrunning clutches, which may be susceptible to noise over time. Electrical equipment in the vehicle, such as power seats or windows, may be slow to operate. Sometimes the device will not function or will suddenly stop working. For example, the radio turning itself off. If the engine cuts suddenly while driving or idling, it could be an alternator issue. Fuel injection needs a good amount of electrical power, and without it, the engine stalls quickly. If the battery voltage is dropped excessively, it could result in memory loss to onboard modules. This can result in an engine start and stall condition as well. Pop the hood and check the battery. You may think you found the culprit. However, with a fresh battery and a malfunctioning alternator, you'll be quickly left stranded again. These should give you an idea of what's gone wrong. But if you're still not sure, you can always bring your vehicle to Advanced Auto Parts for a free charging and starting system test.